Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel Shabeena Fashion.
Connect with us, subscribe my channel and click bell icon. Comment your challenge. I will try to make it.
If you guys like this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability.
If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel, click bell icon.
Hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour.